From your Weather Authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, mainly clear skies for the next few nights. Ideal viewing for Comet Lemon, which is rising or becomes visible in the northwestern sky shortly after sunset each evening. Probably need a pair of binoculars. I got more information on that on my Facebook page. Plus, we're at the peak of the Orionid meteor shower, so some shooting stars out there also. And the weather is certainly cooperating as this cool, dry air mass moves in for the rest of the week. And that's going to keep temperatures running a little bit below normal through the week. And then we'll warm things up maybe a little bit over the weekend. But frost is in the cards, scattered light amounts Thursday morning, but perhaps a more widespread frost on Friday morning. And those rain chances that we've been advertising for the weekend, they're coming down. So weekend looking drier at this point. I'll have more details on that in just a moment. But highs today, upper 60s to lower 70s, despite the fact the cold front moved through Evansville at 4 in the morning. The cooler air kind of lagged behind, and it's now really beginning to move in tonight. Live Doppler radar just showing false returns around the radar. Our next chance of rain, and it's a slight chance, will be returning on Saturday. So it's a clear sky over the east side of Evansville right now, and it's cooling off quickly. The temperature now down to 51, and after those really strong gusty winds up to 36 miles per hour this afternoon in Evansville, calm conditions right now, and they'll stay fairly light throughout the overnight. With upper 40s to lower 50s, we're going to wind up somewhere in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. And I think we'll have just enough wind overnight to prevent any significant frost from developing. But one of the colder nights we've had so far this season, certainly colder than last night, as much as, well, let's see, 5 to 15 degrees cooler than it was at 10 o'clock on Monday evening. And that's going to be the trend here through the overnight. Any scattered clouds kind of grazing our northeastern counties in the process of pulling away to the northeast. Much more considerable cloud cover as you head up into the Great Lakes. Meanwhile, the tropics are getting active again. We have Tropical Storm Melissa down here in the Caribbean drifting to the north. It's not going to move all that much. With 50-mile-per-hour winds right now, and as it drifts northward, it will likely become a hurricane, a Category 1 hurricane. Right now, it doesn't look like a threat to the U.S., but it looks like it's going to stall off the coast of Jamaica over the weekend. Look at the position here for Sunday evening, right off the tip of Jamaica, and so the winds won't be the big concern. Excessively heavy rainfall could lead to catastrophic flooding in parts of Jamaica and Haiti if this path materializes, and we'll just have to see what happens to Melissa once it gets out of the islands. But no direct impact for us, certainly here in the tri-state. We've got clear skies for the overnight, another mostly sunny day tomorrow, another very windy day, but not as windy as today. Gusts tomorrow about 25 to maybe 30 miles per hour, and high temperatures will be cooler, low to mid 60s, forecasting 64 to 65 across the Evansville metro. Then with calmer conditions tomorrow night, will drop down between 35 and 40 by daybreak on Thursday. So some scattered light frost on Thursday morning, then another mostly sunny day and another day with less wind in the low to mid 60s. And with even less wind on Thursday night and that cool air solidly in place, by daybreak Friday morning, we'll be in the mid to maybe upper 30s, so a better chance of a more widespread scattered frost on Friday morning. Then the clouds gradually increase during the day. Highs will be in the mid to upper 60s on Friday, but despite all these clouds moving in, we should stay dry for home team Friday. And even over the weekend, rain chances will return, but they don't look all that high at this point. So mainly clear overnight, upper 30s to around 40 degrees for tomorrow. Mostly sunny, very windy and cooler day. Highs will be in the low to middle 60s. 7-day forecast, we've got scattered light frost for tomorrow night, and then 65 Thursday, better chance of frost Friday morning, 37, and then increasing clouds on Friday, high of 64. There is your weekend. We do warm through the mid to upper 60s. And slight chances for rain return, 15% chance Saturday, a 25% chance on Sunday. Those chances could ramp up Sunday night into Monday morning, and then perhaps more widespread showers and thunder showers later Tuesday into Tuesday night of next week. So very typical temperatures here over the next week. A lot of clouds for the weekend, but at this point, it doesn't look all that wet.
All right,